Alright, fellas. We'll do this little video here to sort of indicate and illustrate what happened to me using this bird dog yesterday. Now, some people may have seen that video and they was like, damn, sharpshooter, you're full of shit. Alright, you see that nail right there and you see that clad diamond. See how far they are apart. Alright, sensitive FT conventional settings. I'm going to show it here, okay? Silencer 1, no notch. Speed is 2.5. We're into pitch tones. I'm going to show pitch tones in this. You hear that? Now I'm bringing that call back. Notice, no detection. Okay? Iron tone on that nail. Advancing that call back, nothing. Alright. So now we're going to go in here. We're going to let this Deus down. Okay. Notch. It's easier doing this to put your... I'll show you what I'm talking about here. See, I'm going to number 3 and I'm going to notch over to number 7 and I'm coming down to the bottom. I'm going to notch 0, 1 and 0, 2. Whoops. Zero, 0 and 0, 1. Okay. So that's what I've changed. See what happens? See, I'm over the dime with that call, ain't I? Notice that? But look out here where I'm getting detection. Look where the call is. The call is centered on the nail, or actually past it a little bit. Alright? So when I dug them holes yesterday, boys, I was always off. Alright? You see where that dime is at. Now, notice back here. I don't really get any detection either, do I? Even with the bird dog. But pushing that call forward, see what happens? Alright, and you start trying to use pinpoint out there in a nail situation, you know, you can get into trouble, which sharpshooter sort of did, okay? But that was the result of that video yesterday. That bird dog sniffed out 2 coins. One had a sizable nail with it. Okay? We'll remove that dime there. We'll sweep this call similar down that old colonial nail there. That's pitch tones. You don't hear jack. Notice that? Nothing. So just be mindful if you're going to use this, you know. Your fine may not be. If you try to dig based on where that thing's a hitting, you might be fooled like the old sharpshooter was. Well, I sort of knew that, but you know. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed.